Welcome into the studio today. Before we go any further, what did the therapist tell a lonely Dr. Frankenstein? To make more friends. Ba-dump-ba-dump. Welcome into the studio in our continuing series of Firearms for Dummies. As a new firearms owner, part of your everyday needs are gun cleaning kits and the right gun cleaning kit for you, and that's the topic of today. Bi-Mart sells the rest of your everyday needs, such as Q-tips and Pop-Tarts and rags and gloves, but I can't tell you because of certain rules whether or not they sell gun cleaning kits. With that out of the way, how do you find the right gun cleaning kit for you and your firearm? The way you find the right gun cleaning kit for you is to know what caliber or gauge, if it happens to be a shotgun, your firearm is. Whether or not it's a handgun, a shotgun, or a rifle is also important because gun cleaning kits are broken up into those major areas. So we have here a handgun cleaning kit for 3 or 4 calibers. We have here a shotgun cleaning kit that is for 3 different gauges, almost. 410 bore is 410 bore. It's not really a gauge, but 12 or 20 gauge and 12 gauge are, and you have the basic components you need to clean the bore and other parts of the firearm. We have a rim fire kit. We have a multi-caliber rifle kit centered around the 30 caliber area, and we have just another shotgun 12 gauge only gun cleaning kit over here. These two are pocket size. They have the rod in them are similar to this, and they're designed specifically for 223 or 556. And you can put them in your bag and you can take them with you out in the field a little bit easier than a box. These are great at home or your RV, hunting, those kind of things, types of kits. Another thing we have here is bore cleaner and what they're calling gun grease, which is a lubricant. I don't necessarily like the term grease. It gives the wrong impression. We always want to use gun oil or lightweight, something like that. This is a bore snake. It takes the place of the brush, one of these, and the swab, one of these, and the rod, which is this string here that happens to be weighted. You drop it down the bore, you pull this through, the brush cleans and breaks free all the gluck and stuff you're trying to get out. This pulls it out. They're very handy, they're very compact, they're very lightweight comparatively, big, coming in up. They've been around forever actually, but a lot of people like these versus traditional rods. They're a little bit different to use. You can be the judge on which one fits your needs the best. We have nitrile gloves here. We have a couple different just rags here. Speaking of rags, use them till they won't absorb anymore, then throw them away appropriately. Remember, we don't put oily rags all together. They can spontaneously combust. What I will tell you is you should not ever wash these rags and try to get all the gluck that's on them, especially when it's oils and solvents, because it does bad things to your other clothes. It puts bad smells in your wash machines. So they're just easier to throw away appropriately again and use new ones. What is in a gun cleaning kit? And we're talking in general. You have brass brushes or wire brushes. You have a nylon brush that has 2 different ends on it. you have a multi-piece rod, and you then have tips for the different calibers that the patches you will go push down the bore. And over here we have different patches. You'll need to know which size or approximately fits your firearm. The smaller the bore, i.e. 22 long rifle, 17 HMR, though you would use small patches. Maybe 30 caliber rifles, and around that area you use these patches, and they say right on them 1.5 inch round patches. There's 100 of them here. And then 9mm, 10mm, 45, those kind of things, bigger, more, 375 H&H. These are 2-inch round patches, or again, even with some of your shotguns. You need the patch as you put it down the bore to be tight enough to gather up and drag with it, get out all of the oils and the gunk you're trying to get off the gun or out of the firearm. In this case, you have a swab that does similar to the patches, but these will get dirty really quick and full of oils and so on. And then you have, again, the cleaning tips that hold the patches. And that's about it. This one is the same thing. This is a 22 rimfire one, but instead of a brass rod, you have a coated T-handle wire. Turns out like this. Okay. This is, again, the rifle, multi-caliber rifle one, and just a single 12-gauge kit. How do we know which one is the right one for us? You look at your firearm, and just like we talked about in ammo selection and knowing which ammunition to buy, you go to the store. Let's say you have a 12-gauge shotgun. You read it on the barrel, 12-gauge. Okay, you go down to the sporting goods store of your choice, and you go to the section that has these things, and you pick the kit that says 12-gauge on it. Same thing for whether it's a 9mm or a 30-06 or a 30-30 or a 17 HMR. You pick the kit that fits your firearm. One more thing you'll want in your supplies is what they call CLP. Now, this happens to be Gunzilla brand. They do not know who I am. And it is a cleaner, lubricant, protectant. Kind of takes the place of bore cleaner, kind of takes the place of gun grease type stuff. Think multi-tool when you think CLP. A lot of people swear by a CLP because it makes the process simpler. You have an all-in-one. It does a good job for all three, not a great job for any one of them. There are better products, but then you have more products. So again, most people use this. It works really well. I shouldn't say, not this brand, ACLP. Make sure I'm clear on that. And it works really well to clean, lubricate, protect your firearm. When you get your firearm clean, you will want to wipe it down. There are special rags out there, but just a regular old-fashioned clean washcloth wipes off all your hands, all the cleaner stuff. And then you want to store it in the manner our other video talks about storing. Something that's also really handy to have in your kit are just plain old everyday Q-tips or cotton swabs. They don't have to be Q-tip brand. These get down, you get a little bit of your bore cleaner stuff on them, and they get in the nooks and crannies in the actions, especially on handguns. They work great for getting all those tight little places. Pop-Tarts are for after you're all done, you've washed your hands, you put away the chemicals. All right, we've told you where and how to select kits. Why do we want them? To keep our guns running good and free of malfunctions. Because it's important you can trust your equipment. So get it cleaned up. Make sure you go to the range. Make sure it's functioning right so you can clean it again. And when you're at the range, practice with your equipment. Know your equipment. Have fun with your equipment so you're always the best prepared for the worst case situations.